Hi, Wally Hauck for Communico. I'd like to ask you a question. Is influence more important today than ever before? I assert it is. I assert it is. And so how leaders can influence organizations is a key essential skill that can help to improve performance with less effort. Gandhi would say that the best way to find yourself is to lose yourself in the service of others. And so when you're talking about being more influential, it requires that you are providing more service to others. What is influence and what is control? Influence is about impacting or affecting change with minimal or no effort, whereas control is about forcing change. And so if you agree that influence is more important today than ever before, and why would that be? Because we're in the knowledge economy. We're less about task and more about thinking. And if we're more about thinking, in order for people to think optimally, they have to feel safe and not feel controlled. And so influence provides an environment that encourages that kind of innovation and innovative thinking. So what is it that we could do right now to make that shift? There's one thing you could do right now, and that is to observe your language. Is your language the language of influence, or is it the language of control? And we here at Communico, what we do is we help leaders and staff to have a shift in the quality of their interaction such that every single interaction is trusting and respectful and helpful in order to boost that influence. And so what is the language that you're using now? Is it the language of influence or the language of control? And if you could shift that language, then that would be automatically boosting your ability to be influential. You know, Gandhi would say that a man is the product of his thoughts and what he thinks he becomes. So what you think about people and problems is the shift. And can you make that shift? That's the question for you to think about today. Thanks so much for listening.